In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cloud gaming on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase easy steps that you can follow along on any device, Android or iOS, to fix cloud gaming and the service. So, as you can see, I am running Fortnite on cloud gaming. For me, it is working properly, and if you are having trouble running the service, I'm gonna show some steps that you can follow. So I'm just gonna exit full screen and go back to the Fortnite page where I can see Xbox Cloud Gaming and all of the options that they have available here to play. So the easiest thing that you can do on any mobile device is to go into the settings of your web browser. I am doing this process on an Android device and I'm using Mozilla Firefox. However, if you are doing this using Chrome or if you are an iOS device with Safari, the process is going to be similar, albeit slightly different. Go into the settings of your web browser and find the option related to deleting browsing data. This will allow you to clear the browsing data, including most importantly cookies and site data and cached files. By doing this, you are going to free up space and also clear the memory. Sometimes, if this data wasn't properly set up or you are having trouble with any website, including cloud gaming, it might be a great way to start troubleshooting this. It is extremely easy to do, and after you clear the browsing data, you can try signing into the Microsoft again and accessing cloud gaming beta on any game. If you are still having trouble, another thing to check is to see if cloud gaming is supported officially in your region. You can visit this page on the Microsoft website, Xbox supported countries/regions, where you can browse through a list of countries and this will tell you if the service is available for you. So as you can see, for the United States, for example, Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta is available. However, if you select a country from the list which does not support cloud gaming, you will notice that it says not available. If this is the case for your region, you will not be able to natively access Xbox Cloud Gaming. You will have to use a VPN. For this video, I won't be able to showcase any VPNs, but there are plenty of services out there and it comes down to personal preference which one you want to use. With this out of the way, as long as Xbox Cloud Gaming is supported officially in your country or you use a VPN, you will be able to access it on any device. The other thing to check is to visit the official Microsoft website or the official Xbox website, sign into a Microsoft account, tap on your icon and then My Microsoft Account. You will be redirected to this page at account.microsoft.com and you can select your info at the top of the screen. In this page, you can set up your date of birth under your profile information. Some users have reported that they were unable to access Xbox Cloud Gaming if their date of birth and consequently their age was set to younger than 18 years old. So if you can, try changing your date of birth so it tells Xbox that you are 18 years old or older. Alternatively, create a new Microsoft account or Xbox account to be used with cloud gaming and just make sure that you set up your age as being 18 years old or older. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cloud gaming on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.